The fear of man bringeth a snare, but whoso putteth his trust in the Lord shall be safe. Proverbs 29 verse 25. Let us reflect on this verse. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all of your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. Trust God, he is infinitely able to provide your needs. Entrust your path to his mighty hands. He shall always protect you from the snares of the enemy. By his strength you are made much more than conquerors. Fear not, for he is infinitely better than your fears.